Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here, my name is Arika with the Vibe. I always say to stay subscribed on here because we have so much stuff to discuss. So basically today what we are going to be discussing is how to make money online. I'm very sure you'll be hearing people share their experience on how much they made online. Oh, I made $10,000 in a month online. I made this online. And you probably might be thinking, oh, how do they do it? And how do they make the money online? You just be hearing, oh, I make this money online. I make this money online. And you really don't know how people actually make their money online. In this video, I'm going to be sharing you ways on how people make money online. But before then, I just want to say something that making money online is not as easy as they put it out there. Making money online is not something that you just wake up today and then tomorrow you're already making money. No, it is not that easy. It is not that easy the way it sounds. You're going to need a lot of dedication. You're going to need a lot of consistency. You're going to need a lot of effort, sweat. You're going to break your back. Those people that you see that are saying, oh, I made $10,000 in a month. I made $4,000 in a month. I made this and that. They've actually put in the work before they can see that results. Before you start making money online, you have to do a lot of hard work. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first one I'm going to be talking about is offering a service. This one is the most accessible one. Like, I would say it's very easy, but not like it's very easy. It's one of the easiest ways to make money online. Offering a service. You can offer service such as graphic design, social media manager, virtual assistant, digital marketer, and so on. All you have to do is to take a course on Coursera or Udemy or LinkedIn Learning and get your certificate. If you're done, you're just going to your portfolio, build your resume, and start offering these services. It is a skill that you acquire and you can offer them as services to get paid. There are a lot of people online that are looking for all of these services. A lot of brands, a lot of people, a lot of companies are looking for people. They're looking for graphic designer, they're looking for virtual assistant, social media manager. So all you have to do is just go on Fiverr, or you go on Upwork, or you go on X. People that are looking for this kind of services, and then you offer it and then you get money in return. So the second skill I'm going to be talking about is selling of products. You can sell physical products, you can sell a digital product, and you can also help people sell their products, which is called affiliate marketing. So the first one is physical products. You can sell products like ladies wears, you can sell products like skincare products, you can sell makeup products. There are a lot of products that you can sell. Those are the physical products. You don't need to have a shop before you can sell these products. You can just go on social media, create a social media account for your product, and start selling non-paid adverts to reach wide audience. And digital products, if you're very talented or you're so good in something, you can just put it as a course, ebook, and just write them and start selling them. You sell on different platforms. You can sell on Seller. I also have my book on Seller, so you can sell your book, your digital product on Seller. And the third one, which is affiliate marketing. You can easily learn all of this online, how to earn through commission. All you need is an affiliate link. You can reach out to brand and be like, I can help you sell your product. Like, there are even a lot of brands that are looking for people to help them sell their products. I tell you, get the affiliate links and help them sell products on their behalf. Let's assume, I'm not saying you should go and buy all those courses on affiliate marketing. Let's assume you're helping Nivea to sell their products and people are using your link to buy. If they buy from your own link, you're going to get like a 10% commission or 20% commission. There are a lot of platforms that you can use. You can make use of Amazon, Etsy, even Canva. So another way you can make money online, it is through crypto. And what do I mean by crypto? There are actually various ways to make money through crypto. There is airdrop mining. You just have to do like a small task, mine the coins, and at the end of the day, you're going to exchange your tokens that you've mined in exchange for money. You can also make money through buying and holding of coins. Like, you can buy a particular coin and leave it for it to increase. But on this one, you're going to have to make your own research. Make your own research. I don't want to hear that, oh, Arika said we should buy this coin and then no, make your own. You have to make your own research and be sure that this coin has potential to increase. There's crypto trading whereby you have to trade, you watch the market and then you trade. When it comes to like all this crypto, you have to make research. You have to have the information. You have to be knowledgeable about it. Through buying of coin or through trading, you can make a lot of money. Like, millions. Crypto can turn into a millionaire overnight. But if you don't have knowledge about it, there's no way you want to make money. Those people that are making all of those money overnight, they're like experts in it. They're like guru. It is not a get rich quick scheme. You have to put in the hard work. You have to learn. You need the information, make research. Okay, another way you can make money is through stock markets, by buying of stock and holding it. Stock, I'm talking about stocks that have potential. Again, you have to make your research on to know which stock you're going to buy. So another way in which you can make money online is through content creation. Content creation is like the new money, just like what I'm doing now, and other creators on social media. YouTube especially pays a lot of creators. They pay a lot of creators. Once you reach the threshold, you're going to start getting paid. And same thing as Instagram, same thing as Facebook, same thing as TikTok. Though in Nigeria, yeah, you can't get paid on some social media app. We are restricted. Most of the creators are getting paid through their social media platform. Okay, apart from getting paid from your social media account, brands also sponsor their videos. It is very, very easy to make money through it. Once brands see that you have the power to influence people, they can reach out to you and tell you to help them sponsor their products, help them promote it, and from there you get paid from it. There is just so much advantages to creating content and monetizing the attention you have on you. But one thing I want to say is that it's not as easy as it sounds. Like, you can be creating content for a year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years without even having anything to show for it. You can be creating content without even having any followers, without people liking or watching whatever you're doing. But trust me, it is worth it, because at the end of the day, gradually you have your own people, you find your own people, and your own people will find you. You have to build a community. For you to be able to monetize your content, you have to create community, you have to have people that are following you, you have to be consistent in creating content. Not that you create one content today and then you will not create another one until next year. You have to be consistent. It takes a lot of effort, it takes a lot of strength, it takes a lot of sweat. I'm not kidding. It's not easy to actually make money online, but when you put in the hard work, when you put in the dedication and consistency, it is worth it at the end of the day. All of these ways I've listed, I already said the easiest one I made mention is offering a service, because it is just you giving out your value. If you're looking to get a skill and you don't know which one to get, you can watch I have a video on which I made for different type of skills you can learn. And personally, I'm a social media manager. So if you want to learn how to become a social media manager, you can start from there. I have my social media management guide linked to this video. You can get it. You can get my guide from there. You can get my social media guide from there. It is going to help you to navigate your way in becoming a social media manager. This is where I'm going to stop for today. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. And see you in my next video. Let me know if there is anything you want me to talk about in my video. See you in my next video. Bye.